let's harvest string beans. This is my second harvest. Here, that's a lot. There's more string beans upstairs. I need to get a ladder. Let's go get a ladder. Oh, I'm on the top of the world. Is the love that I found. The top of the world. Yay! Fresh string beans. This is good for adobo. I'm gonna make adobo later today. Yay! Fresh from the garden.